What's up, my people? Welcome back to the channel. So I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys, my people. Annie, the people them mash up Annie. Right, my people them mash up Annie. Hardy. You see me I say? Anna also tell Annie in her face the things them what she do wrong, you know what I mean, pertaining to her youth them or something. So there's a bunch of things, my people. We also have Rosealee respond to King Donia over some comments he make about the youth them and Rosealee fall. You know what I mean, why them get take away. We also have Rosealee in the early morning link up with the right you are going with a bag of things. We also have my people GX in a big trouble. This one I say. And the people, GX have to know what he do, and him need to take some of the page them out of Rosealee book. So when you reach this, so we're going to talk about that. So make we get in at my people, and anything we don't hear in the intro, you know what I mean, because I don't know if I left out nothing, I go see in the video, and maybe we'll add more things as we go on. So make we kick it off.
Before I tell her, I go buy her a drink of rum and get her to a cigarette. Yeah, more think, mama. I don't know how to tell her. In fact, I'm not just she alone. If me there around your mouth think, I don't know how to tell her. If me tell her, trust me, I tell her. If me tell her, you're going to feel that way. If me tell her, you're going to feel that way. If me tell you, I gonna feel that way. And I could probably make it worse. And I respect Aki walk. Why? Because in our day, when I go over there, who remember what day I go over there? In our day, I go over there. If I never for Aki walk, I cut the next day, the next morning. If I never for Aki walk. You see through me and him dead and we are Bill and we are all our vibes, we dead as two man, and we can all our vibes, we can burn weed and we can drink two juice, and you see me? Yeah, what kind of vibes? That's why you see me dead pull up and dead till all 1 month straight run off from me dead. That's why. And that's why I tell you now, and that's why I'm been I tell you now, so I'm not picking a side in this. Cause I'm dead and I see how them wicked. And when I left, everybody I tear me down. Even when I add Aki walk to my life, I say Aki walk, you know, so I can't believe say you sit down and I make everybody I deal with me. So even though me dead and all a different vibes, me, you, Alex dead and all a different vibes. You see me? And you still sit down and watch the big careless old woman I deal with, man, so brother. That make me feel that way. You see me? So me and Med say the whole of them are the same. That me and Med say the whole of them are the same. You see me? And then you say you're there around her so till she send you to prison, bro. Right now rain a fall, another nice time for that prison. Cause rain a fall. Oh no, who feels it knows it. Another right time for that prison, oh bad man. Cause rain a fall, bro. I'm not talking about no girl. A concrete that get cold, rain a fall. Another right time for that prison. But Aki walk, so tell him walking a problem. Aki walk, so tell him walking a problem. You say you don't know where to go? Say they're on the people, man. The people them deal with it. Anyway, them deal with it, bro. If they're on them and them deal with it, any single way they want to deal with it, them deal with it, bro. You see me? Any single way, any of them deal with them want to deal with them, you know. And him dead, bro. Yes, if you know Akiwa, him even talk loud. Anytime you hear him talk loud, I vex him about something. Or something will chip him or piss him off. Him not chat loud none at all. So him dead and them a dead him away and him just easy so and hold it. I dead so till them fuck you up, dog. Yeah, dead so till them Senegal prison. My dead around them. My dead around them. And me I tell you no. Me don't know if I'm wrong or me don't know if I'm right. But me I tell you no, based off of my belief, I don't think Akiwak is touching that little girl. Me not think him a touch her. Them wicked. You see, if him a touch that little girl there, him forget lock up in a real life. You see me? But me another law. So what me can say is that time will tell, and only time alone will tell. But you know what the worst thing about this whole situation is? You see, if him don't touch that little girl, it a go still depend him name. The whole internet, bro, have it for say Akiwak touch the little girl. No matter what him do, if him rides and him not touch her and police let him go, it a go still depend him name, bro. I tell you, bro. And the next thing about it too, me I tell you this. You see, for go prison in a Jamaica, and them charge there, and something good that. For go prison at Jamaica, and them charge, and something good that. You see me? Them a go on warrior, them a go beat you up, them a go do be something. It's sad though. It's sad. Cause all of this could have been avoided. But because I don't know. Yeah, them forgot code for it and Jamaica save me.
Me take it from her, cause I'm a mother, she a try help me. She said, baby, by tomorrow me go.
Alright, my people, so I could hear what Anna have to say, because we all know say Anna now put fear mouth a ground and talk. She go talk the things them. You so me I say, and people, after what police just say a while ago, how do you tell somebody say them mouth smell without being disrespectful?
Me say, alright, mommy. Tomorrow forward, me realize that she not respond yet, right? Realize that she don't respond yet. I said, alright, maybe she don't have a problem or such. She called me. She started cussing me. I said, when you cuss me for now? What you cuss me for now? I send her a voice note and I apologize to her about what Daniel company internet council because it wasn't in his position to come on live, come speak about that. You get me? Oh, for real, don't be like say me a lie, me a tell. Me not tell no lie, bad man. But I not tell no lie, bro. I don't know in a bad man. I'm stressed right now. I'm not even have the time to sit down and explain to you right now. Me not have the time to sit down and explain to you right now. But turn to Daniel and I tell him saying wrong, brawling. They say wrong for come out and say certain things that kind of make no sense. And he never did that put it in a negative way and just did that explain what you see. I'm a call her. I'm a think say she me I talk to. End up so me I talk to Zoe. And then say me I record Zoe and me I say why mother I record my own sister pan call. I'm just end up and leave that alone because she me just a talk to. I call me one call her for talk to her, you know. I call me one call her for talk to her straight. No, bro. I call me one call her for talk to her straight. Cause she said me know everything. And me no want talk and how she hold this from me and company internet. She know say me, Alia Spencer, cannot say certain things as you are gonna say a lie me I tell. You are gonna put it in a your context and now listen to me when me talk. Everything what me say, even if upon a phone call, me talk to her. Upon the internet she come back and talk about it. I called my mother yesterday upon the call. We talk and I say, Mommy, you don't know say you such and such with the same female so she go put out a lawsuit. I realize that's Zoe me I talk to. And she start get angry and start cuss back Daniel. So when I say, alright, leave her alone, make she talk. Leave her alone, make she talk. But end up your phone. And I did not say anything else. So if they have it on recording, then can put it out.
Hey. Calm down, eh?
We calm down, man. Alright.
Yeah,
The only thing we shall come on the internet and contact about, oh, Anna, Daniel, you walk list this and that and this and that and them type of thing there. But from a mother to mother, are you me I talk to? Me not talk to nobody. Not even business board Daniel more while. You me I talk to. And everything me say to you, your company internet, you make me look like one of the biggest liar them on God earth. And afterwards you do that, you call me and I inform me about everything what going on in your life. I never yet company internet can tell none of them people wait tell me say never, cause it's not in my place. It's not in my place to talk about your personal business. And that more you for understand say your personal business, you need to stop talk about it on the internet. It don't make no sense. People always come on a bomb rush me and say, oh, hey girl, you're wicked. How you for do your mother that? You is a wicked girl. And sometimes I'm shocked, I am so stunned, devastated, maybe like wanna talk or wanna know me. Anybody can come to and say you're rated, wanna know Anna. Wanna go take it from Annie because Annie is my mother. If Annie say yo this I saw you go. But you don't understand when a mother hurt. They will bring down their own picking. Me see my mother bring me down over again and still take up the phone and call me. What make you think me and her always a play a match? What make you think she easy if me and her easy if talk it all company internet? She afterwards she always come to Anna. She come to me and talk to me about anything what she can't tell nobody. I mean no come on this internet here. can't say anything. Afterwards, she come out, come cuss and tell me about how wicked girl, this and that, rated. She use things against me where the people them are going to rule in her favor. One thing upon this happen, and my mother can never be wrong. And nobody now go say, you're wrong. I mean, I gotta be the one to tell her, say, you're wrong. Just like how you can send people to come cuss me every day and tell me how I'm worthless, tell me how this and that. Them can slung over your life and say, Annie, you need to calm down. Annie, you is a mother. Remember, you birthed her. She don't know better, you know better. But no, you think them people over there love you? You think them people over there love me? Don't go compare your life, come bring down your one pick in it, where you push out of your vagina, where your feet for your breasts, where you have to teeth out a store put pampers for me, and me them a bring down. How you feeling of yourself? Me know you feel good. Cause there's no way on earth every day. Who caused that? You!
Who want me by who caused that? Who would have caused that?
Who watch it?
Who would have caused that?
Right now and they still try to take your life.
What did I watch it and me move from watch it?
You don't plan to go to church.
May I ask you a question? What did I watch it? Why you don't go blood clot church? Why you don't go to church? Why you don't focus and go get back your blood clot picnic? Eh? Why you don't focus and go get back your blood clot picnic? Why your blood clot of work and tell like promise her? You work and tell me your blood clot like from me. That's the blood clot problem. And see, you lose your blood clot picnic. Don't put your blame for me, Jenfro. You need to go blood clot church. Any church anybody need to go, and you need to go blood.
People, this don't look good none at all. I hope they will make some good money off of this what them are going with, cause Jano, this look disgusting, yo. Tell me what you think.
You know what man kick me now? You know see man kick me now. You know see man box me and kick me like a dog. That's why you lose your blood clot picnic. That's why you lose your blood clot church. You're wicked. You're a wicked blood clot demon, girl. You're a demon. You still have a blood clot man with you. You see a man will kick you and box you like a dog. That's why you lose your blood clot picnic. You got down a courthouse and could come and fight. Eh? Eh? Me soon come.
You hide them red.
Me know, me soon come. Me soon come. Darwin, me not cuss.
Stop, no?
Me not cuss.
Listen to me and come here, hide them blood red, mommy, blood red. Stop, come here, please. Just listen to me, please. We can't lose it. Just please. Please, stop. We can't lose it. Just please. Just stop. You're the last money, man. Please. Just stop. Your eye didn't look good. I didn't feel like I could just talk to me. Please. Please, I have pressure. Me don't want to lift me by here, mommy.
Me not going away. Promise. Me not going away.
Please just stop.
Me not going away.
Simple much, dog. Now run down the lights for a boy and a girl, bro. And a time feeling an argument and chatting with boy and girl, no, bro. Serious time, no, brother. Then I go through whole heap already in a man bumbo clock. It's space already, dog. A strong man make man hold it. And they as a dog. So now if you understand anything there. You see me? So I see me try to go make Alia calm down, bro. Because she have a lot on her mind what she want to speak on. And me make she not talk. Tell me, I tell you that. Pick up yourself, team positive. Nobody, bro. Me stop watch people around us, that. Stop me, I tell you. hate me, I love on the same way. When I reach out if you can buy on a box food and a juice. Tell me I tell them that. And a rich man can come in our community and tell if you all a 3 year brother and say, alright, boom. I'll sit where and keep me youths them. You see me? And them way them man want bum buckler make it alive. See you. Yeah, people here, bro. Involve me, I get me just like speak positive for certain people, dog. I watch you, my friend, no matter how you hate me, I go show you love. You see me? And that's my mindset there, bro. The past is the past. The character when me didn't play, bro. Last 2 years of my life that delete now. Now I go know the real me now. The real me, I da little youth that we always see the things them and talk the truth, bro. But cause of me attack, me get ridiculed and bashed because of it, bro. And then down the line, everybody say a truth. Me didn't talk, dog, gonna run, come back around and say, bumbo clad. Rather than say not talk truth, you know. The dog just say it look harsh. I just that's my friend. You see me? And in a life, me learn, bro, over time. I know what you say, how you say it. You see me? I know what you say, how you say it, bro. So might be me didn't show the people them who me I look out for in an aggressive way, but them have to understand say a real life this is not a fairy tale. So if me I show something, I go show a raw band. You see me? Me I go sugarcoat you and show no, bro. Tell me I tell you no sugarcoat not there if no boy or girl around me. I go tell you as it is. It might sound fuck up when me talk it ignorant, bro, but I truth. You see me? You see me come on the live day before yesterday and say a little thing I defend somebody, dog, and when me come back later, bro. Everybody don't for me and I defend people. And me I say the fuck. So me not fi talk. Me dey on the media, me famous like every other man bad, bro. Every other man know. Just like me, I'm there in the street every day, my friend. If a man see me, I stroll through in a little with the man see me on my bike, I float cross. I lie me and tell me, G, every day I'm there in the streets. And I respect me getting in the street for certain people, because man say I realize the bumbo clad, that youth I want really out, you know.
People, with all of them cussing you and them bring down you, me just hope say them a do it for clout and money. You see me I say and in a real. Although whether I real or not, it don't look good and it a go left a, you know what I mean, a stain upon them name. You see me? So I can watch some more.
Yeah, that my friend, and people start see them thing there in the streets, dog, and show respect to man. At one point I be disrespect me usually get in the streets, dog. And man tug that out you and step through. You see me? I don't feel good for see Ali and that the lady they are cussing her man in a bro, cause I don't clarify half for everything. I call that woman and talk to her on phone, everything, bro. You see me? She fi understand say your daughter go to a mental space, dog, and she fi give her a ease to, bro. Give her a ease no bad man. Because from the thing go on, I don't see you call your daughter and show her some little blood clot moral support. I mean I bash you. I don't see meds span things, brother. You see me? Your daughter do a thing go on and you not even put everything to the side, bro, and focus on she, bro. You see what me I say? That's all me I say, bro. Put your feelings aside. That me do for uno, you know. And that's why me come and I can talk for uno situation, bro, cause me put my feelings aside, bro, and I say you are serious matters, no, you know. You see me? Somebody out there for represent you in our mind, you know. When me come around I can say, when everybody I say, yo, you know everything go on around your circle, you look at you, them already. And me come around and tell them, say, yo, you don't know nothing. Because you're ever busy. Once you wake up, you're there on the work, you're there on the hustle because you try to change your youth, them life, you try to change the settings where your youth, them come from around. And me can talk them thing there, bro. And I same thing you come talk now. The same thing when me use, you never know. Because you're there, you never know, bro. And me personally know, say you never know. Because me go around here if you want 2, 3 days and see how you operate, bro. You're not gonna know. You see me? But yet still Ali I go say, yo, he's a mother. And a true theater. He's a mother, so you can't have just time for yourself alone and have time for your picnic them. You see me? No matter how busy you be, you have to take a little time out because a daughter you have. We're not even talking about your son them, your daughter them. You have to pay attention to them and the little details. Or me as a bumbo class son-in-law can come around for 2 days and can tell us that I go on. You get me I say? We come around for 2 days. And as me reach, I spot me, I say, no man, this don't look right, man, something fishy. And me touch my baby mother and say, me. Ray, no. I mean, I like that move there, no. You see me? can show Alia Wagwan. Alia say Bumbuckler, Daniel for real. Me I say, yeah, bro, man, a gangster in the streets. Me know when play a move. Me know when man a fuck girl, bro. A girl can come and say, me know say, all I dogs them there, so me can know which one the man him a fuck that the girl. Without even have to look for the man face. Just the body movements, my friend. Allow me to tell Bronji. Allow me to tell Bronji. If you come and say, you know, see a girl pull up, you can't tell anyone of your dogs them where fuck it. Eh? Without even have to set your dog. You have to touch him and say, yo, dog. No, I kill that, you know. Just see how it works, my friend. The movements. Body language. The body language, bro. See? All of them things there, bro. So I feel like she did run as a disrespect Anina no way, bro. She just attack her truth, bro. And instead her mother calm down and listen what she has say. Disrespect her argument that this may run from the media, dog. It's not the time right now, bro. Time and place, everything is not the time right now. I can't feel a way for my be a mother crash out because her truth she attack. You see me? Her truth she attack, bro. Good in a dog. I'm not even supposed to run here. Reason true. I don't want to say Alia feel like a way around us up on the media, bro. She done got through enough already, you see me? Done got through enough already, bro. Whole leaf she got through mentally, my friend. And if you understand and give her like a break on the internet, still a bash with the world. All nice situation there, still a bash on the take things with joke. You see me? Bro, no good enough, my friend. So I'm not saying how much days now I'm not stream and I notice I'm stay off of this, bro. You know what I mean? Never say a phone fault. Never say on a fear fault. Never say a fear fault, you know? Never say a fear fault, man. Alright. Never say a nobody fault. Never say a nobody fault. Nah, blame nobody. You see me? Just because me know what me know. I have to just humble, you see it? That's all me have to do, bro. Humble, bro. I'm just watching and I'm gonna go on the phone and think, bro. Character they have redance disappeared and I real me not gonna know now. I know Daniel, is it? Yeah. Real killer in the streets with them laugh and talk with people. If I have a reason for that, I not talk around us, bro. You see me? Tell me, I tell you. Find out the corner, bro, and just stay out on the way, bro. Tell me, I tell you. Sit down on YouTube and make me a Bumbuckler video every day. Fuck with no dog and stay far around us. Okay, so around us, no matter what you say, people twist and turn it and make you look fuck up, you see me? Worse, me not liked by no now, no. Anything me say, man, that come like a quote me I go use against you. So I just leave me alone and just go on the phone thing, bro. Me an especially, bro. Bad person, me especially. Same man. I'm a good man. I'm doing great. It's a $3 fee. Four. No business about who and feel who in a bro. You see me? Me never have no Bumbuckler father in a bro. See? I'm a to be a father in a blood clot my mother in a charge. I'm a tender age, you know. You see me? I jump round from community to community in my life. You know, every 3 months me usually moving and a boy, a girl I know I'm going to you know. In a business who and feel who. You have to know in yourself, say, yo, you want this. You see your mother live a certain lifestyle, you have to tell yourself, say, you're not going down that road. You see me? Sometimes you're there in a one little blood clot. You put yourself in a one little pot, step out of your pot, and if you step out of your pot, your mindset still in your pot, you're not going nowhere, bro.
Alright, my people, leave your comments. Make you watch some more. You know what? We are going to move on to the next.
Rotted. Father God, man. What is for me, man? Every day is a different thing, you know. That me I tell you, you know.
it. Hey, honey, how are you?
But me soon come, me soon link you up, mama. Just give me a minute here.
Alright, darling.
Just give me a minute, mama. Give me a minute.
Alright.
Crash your car away. Crash your car away. My car no fix up. No found out some look a wicked look a piece of shit in her. Me keep on not telling her not take it thing for joke. My car crash your car away. My car fix up. My car glass no gone, none tall. Fuck you not talk say. My mechanic come here last night and mechanic need to move the car. They come and talk about crash car web. None of my car glass, them not gone. None of my car light, they not gone. Hey girl, why you not going to church? Why you not going to church? You start chat up your stinking mouth. Brother, come on from my page, man. Cause enough of uno where they start do it, bro. Yes, you say no did they do. Me not tell you what man said to me last night, say. A man said they must sabotage the car off to come off our road. See there? You know, see a little lick out like this so too. But they take this thing for joke. Everything good. Cause it never make no sense me even say nothing at all on the media. Cause all them a do is just watch me, talk and laugh. Everybody just have it for a joke. You understand what me I say? Me no nobody. I saw me see people that look for me. Me no nobody. Me come about here so me no trouble people. Me never talk to the people them about you. Me no talk to nobody about you, bro. You see me? Everybody know I take this thing for joke. You understand me? Them screw out the whole of the sun up on the car and me I drive the car. No moderator no in my comment section. No moderator no there, so don't. Then look out the whole of the car glass, you know.
You find it over?
Then look out the whole of the sitting gone. The whole of mash up, brother. Give me a charger. Yeah, man, skin off your teeth, man, yeah. Skin off your teeth, here. Remember say laugh, remember the last laugh, here. Remember the last laugh, here. Remember that, here. Remember that, here. Remember what I do here. You hear me tell you now? Remember what I do here. Remember everything what I do here. You hear me say? Remember everything what I do to me. You hear me tell you? Remember what I do to me right here, so. Remember me tell you that. Moderator, if any moderator did it, so if me not a moderator, me lock down in comments. Cause enough of them a pussy where they are so where I watch me. Brother, police lady I say better me move. Yo, the police them a tell me say better me move. Why me come in one community? Brother, fuck with them a do me. I fuck with them a do me. I don't know say I fuck with them a do, bro. Moderator, block them people they wear skin off them teeth, brother, because them see them wanna do it. Yeah, two girls down the road what say them a plan for fight me. Yeah, two girls down the road where them a plan, say them a plan for gang me. I swear to God, me a wait upon the gang there because any girl rush me up here, me I tell you a problem. Me now ask you, any girl up here will rush me, a big problem. Oh, take it for joke. Yeah? Well, I wanna skin off on the dirty blood clot teeth. You see me? Cause I wanna see him one day you saw watch me. See me carry ya? Zin, see me carry ya when mechanic come and tell me say take your car off my road because then screw out the whole of the fucking thing. The whole of the lugs. Them screw out. See it here? See it here? See it here? I will not vibe and nobody not hear. See there? Then screw out 1, 2, 3. Why people are gonna take it time out and screw out that? Why a person gonna take it time out and screw out the wall of that? 1, 2, 3. Why people are gonna take it time out come do that for? Tell me. Everybody are taking for joke and a skin off them teeth. What me do people about your brother? Me no know who no. Me no know who no. Me no know who no. No know me. What not do this for? Only just get up and a sabotage me, bro. And me just come in a community. Me no know none of who no. Me bumbo clot. Father God see I know wickedness can done. Brother, me no know who no. Me no know who no. What me do to no? Me blood cleat. Jesus Christ. Me rotted. Oh God. Me never buck this up in a life yet. I swear to God, me have one thing for deal with next one. Next thing I come up. What me do to no? No, seriously, what me do no? Who do see people business by media and come out and take advantage of me? What me do to no? What have I ever done to anyone who don't know me? So I just, I'm alive for no one take. Because right there, so I whole family with that. You don't even know if everybody I got in a car. You don't even know that. Ratty, they lick out the whole eye glass. They lick out the whole eye glass, bro. They lick out the glass. They lick out the whole eye light. I back part did this so. And when me talk to Ratty, well, everybody say I like to rascal. Me I keep on, I say it. When me do too, no, seriously. When me do too, me never talk to people from the community. I never.
My people, tell me if you don't think a clout them a thing you do for. If any of them a do them something to themselves or people really, you know what I mean, do them something because you can't pay your money for your vehicle and then people are going to do them something to it. All me have to tell Annie say, yo, if a real thing this, make the officers them know what go on. So that if you catch somebody and pop them, when you catch them, nothing can come out of it. You see me I say, because this is really foolishness. You can't work so hard for buy your things and people do it like this. No man, them a take social media things too far. Me understand, so you know like Annie and her family them, but come on, you know can't mash up the people them things them type of way, yeah.
First stop and speak to nobody. Me not talk to none of no. What me do to no, bro? So the think a so now go win. Eh? So they really think I saw. Go show your mama, man. Cause enough of una do this. Enough of una in the comment section of a bad mind me for nothing. On a bad mind me for nothing. On a bad mind me for nothing. When you see me, you can't take me down. When I try to take my life. When you see you can't take me down. Eh? On the turn say me I walk over here. When you see me can't take me down when I try to sabotage me to take my life. And that's what I do. What me do too no? Where a person go take it time out and screw out the whole of the lugs out I care for. Why not go take it all of the time and screw out the lugs them for? Why not get up in the night and go lick out the whole of my car out of the glass? Why not go lick out the whole of that for? Hey girl, if you're tired of this, come off from a blood clot page, stinking blood clot stretch out girl. Mildew, dirty blood clot girl, handicap girl. You lost your blood clot way. You see me your blood clot phone. You lost your blood clot way. Find back your way, bitch. Me call you over here, boy. You're tired of this. Me living in your house. Me living in your blood clot house. Eh? Every time that's money when a blood clot there, you're drunk, bro. What I wanna do? One is a copycat. So what I wanna do? I wanna follow people on the media. I wanna gang up with people on the media. You get what me I say? Me lock up a blood clot man for my rights. I'm a pitney. And the one I wanna feel like you want to come hurt me. When I come talk about you go bun down on my bumbo clot house. When I go bun down your house, so me and me pitney them inna. On the screw the lugs them out of my car. On the blood clot lick out my car glass. Everybody I take it for joke. So when me dead now, I stomach up now and I go say, oh, Annie did tell we. Oh, you know, say we never did know. See? Me ask you a question again, what me do to no? Me come in on the community, me never talk to no. Me never yet even offend one of uno. So tell me now, why you don't want to take a person's life when I offend you? I never offend one of uno in another community here. So what's the problem? Me rotted, a joking thing. I never see this yet in a life. I never see this yet in a life. Me no go back down my car. Me bumbo rasclat. Hold on the baby. The phone I go lock down. Plug in the phone. Plug in the phone. The phone there 4%. A 4% today. Me rotted. Yo, last night the mechanic coming on, the mechanic said to me, say, Annie, take a car off I road, them a sabotage you. I don't know who you do something, but somebody in our community a sabotage your car. I can call him man right now. I can call him man right now. Now make up no story. I call him man right now, make him man tell you no. Then screw out the whole of my logs. All of the thing them for all on the wheel. Me a driver, me go you boop 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 boop, and me a wonder why. You see me? Me a wonder why my son-in-law said to me, say, mommy, just pull over. And when me pull over, them screw out it, and 2 of them left on the wheel. Say, I don't know, say I crash, where I go crash. Last night, me keep on and tell you, no, me get up this morning, they lick out the whole eye freaking glass. They lick out the whole eye glass. So that means they watch them and watch me. I wait till me gone on my bed. I see people from around the place, bro. Bumbo clot. Since me lock up a man, they say them a go shoot me. They say them a go shoot me. Them a call in. Everybody a call in. Who a go burn down the house? Who a go shoot me from? Who a go do this and who a go do that? Come on, no man. Come on, no man. Come on, no man. What kind of world is we in now? A 37-year-old man that you know. What not talk about, brother? What not do? Tell me the truth now. What not do? None of you can even talk to me offend one of you. Now one of you can talk to me offend one of you, know. I just see media on watch me pan, you know, bro. So why would I do that? Tell me the truth now. Moderator, turn on my comments.
People, them something you right. I idiot thing, them thing ya. You understand? If anybody will make people do them thing to the woman things them, you only need to stop, virgin. You see me, you can't work hard for your things and then people are come mashed up, virgin. No man, come on man, don't not take this too far.
Moderator, turn on the comments. I told me see you send me request and what DM me think like some problem I try to look. And I don't want to be there.
I'm gonna text you my number and you give me a call, alright? Not everything to talk on the media, okay, sweetheart?
Okay.
Okay. I'm gonna text you right now.
Alright, no problem.
know. Me don't know. Me it's life hard. You know me true. Miss, thank you for your wheel. Thank you for your. Miss, thank you for your wheel. Thank you, baby, for the wheel. I appreciate your wheel, you know. But why couldn't you listen to me? Is this you not listen to me? Wanna see some not listen to me sometime, don't? Right? Alright. You see that spirit here? It's okay. Alright, sweetheart, I will text you in box and I will definitely get to you. Because I never know say take if you go on life, you go say that to me. Like literally you just go on life, you go say that. And if you go say me be disrespectful, that's weird. Oh Jesus, you come back on the other side now. You see you go text me in box. You don't need to send me no guest request and I'm not being rude. We will talk in box, okay? We will speak in box. You said everything is not for the media. And by the way, you say if me ever go in box and come text you and next me find out say you want dude and you pretend like you're a woman, a problem that again, you know. You hear me I tell you? Let me say because the voice is so like it's a dude, you know. I mean no look here. Anyway. So, when I don't see part when time them say, guys, you see Alex, no, I'm not doing it with nobody. I'm not doing it. I will if I set up them, I try to set me up. Miss, thank you for the wheel here. I appreciate the wheel so bad. God no. Oh, so me get 6 wheel. Me get you 6. Thank you. Alright, sister Maddie, this is 7 me get. 1 more me soon get a race. No, you see Alex, guys. It sound like this. Thank you, Jesus. It sound like destiny. God no. Hey, me love you, you see? Me love. See, you see what destiny do with my son. Come out, come talk about my son. My son wanna talk to people. Wanna see what destiny come out, come tell people say. Destiny lion wicked, you know. Destiny evil, you know. I know, say honestly, them something you're messed up. They look here as I look a young boy that, you know, I mess destiny, I mess with him life, you know. Do you know, so my son don't have a phone? Right? When he forget him a phone. 17 years old. Right? Do you know that Alex don't have a phone? Kim Wagwan. Oh, Kifa, me see you. Give me a minute. May I buy one? Just wait till me get some money this weekend. May I buy one? If I want to look up Android, but me don't want to buy no Android, but may I buy one nice little phone? You know, have a phone. We just give him a phone, you know. I ain't gonna mash up a Kim King. Kim King? A batty boy when name Kim King, a rainbow, sorry, I'm so sorry. I don't have to be so blunt and I don't eat LBG or ABCQ community. Kim King, he must send me something. So with them the demon come to me for them can't stay in them lane. Yeah, me know the ABCQ community. So why them can't stay in them lane where them come over here so far? Where you say ever bless? You laugh and I take it for joke. No man, them a man you need them a round brain boy, you need for go one side. Them too much man, them too no. I watch you be a request. Look here. I be a request him send me now, you know. I the same somebody will come up in the box. Why me no know them a man you can't take a set pan people so. And it's them go call people killies. Or for them mother imagine to make them come as a batty man. And for them mother must have ball, them can't get no grandbaby. When you say ting ting, who take down ting ting comments? Put the back comment, me no see ting ting. ABCQL community, the rainbows of society. No so it name. And it is LG. Hold on. LGBTQ. Oh, holy paletta. LB. Hold on him. So why can't be no in it? Be no stand for Batman. Also, hold on. Sorry, ting. LGBTQ. Okay, LGBT. Alright, just let me say what I can say, please. God no. Okay. I don't hate none of them, and that's okay. Listen to me now. I have people in that society where I love, but enough of them too enough, and enough of them is disgusting. So I don't want nobody can feel say I don't have respect for enough of them. I don't hate them, but enough of them too much. Alright. No, enough of them too much. I don't want to feel like me a disrespect because me a people with on that side where I love and adore. Okay? And this is just the truth. But enough of them too much. Me not lie to you. You're welcome. You're welcome. Seriously. Right? But yeah, some of them man, you have to put them aside and we have to make that a weird for no say. Listen to me. I know we can't mix everybody in a one bungle. Yeah, man. Right? Somebody like a donkey destiny now. That the somebody that sweep and go one side. Look on this as person, you know. This person send me request pan live. Them jump off a live, them come inbox. Right now, inbox them there, you know. Watch your woman inbox, yes or no. Sawa emergency. Moderator block some of them people here. I black that somebody that is so look like blackboard. Read what she said. What she said. Well, what she said. What she said. What the person say? No.
Alright, my people, tell me what you think in the comment section. We're gonna move on to the next.
Jake's have problem. What my problem?
No problem, because I can't even take a look on him to that neither. But when me pass, me don't know, me drop me little gift and me gone. But in the thing with Jake's now do, move on the live, like him a gamble sideways. Like something sideways. But him look like him a gamble.
You know if they can brand up on live?
No, because if you come out say you check out the kids, every minute you're out of the phone, you bend down, you do that, you want to see in your face and get your little jokes, them can't.
Oh!
Down in a phone, down in the side, so down in the side, you talk to everybody, you hear to everybody.
Oh! Yeah, because when me say no, cartoon, after a while, you know, they will push you if I happen, you know. You know that too. Oh, somebody say smoke, you must smoke.
Everybody has smoke. Everybody smoke. They mean smoke. They put me live and smoke. They put me live and smoke.
Yeah, but you can't do it in the live.
Yes, you can't do it in the live. Just see them before you start the live. You turn on. You go in settings. And when you go in settings, as you go in settings, press the broad something down at the bottom. The plug.
Me never see nobody smoke on the live, really?
Yeah, me I tell them what to do. That you can smoke on it. Press the plus down at the bottom. When you press the plus, you see this something say live. You just slide it on the live, but don't start the live. You're going to see settings and some other things up at the top. So just press in a settings. When you press in a settings, you just draw down the screen and you will see something all control, something like that. Something like that control. And you just press.
Hold on, Miss Blair, show yourself there for me. Wait there. Miss Blair, show yourself there for me.
Scrub.
Hold on, sexy Ann. Miss Blair, I think Miss here now. She did there. I don't know she gone. Say hi. Alright, go on. Come in and see her. Maybe she gone. I feel like say somebody I forgot to tell Annie Sefi. Yeah, go on. Every time she see him, she run go in there.
Hold on, man. Me say both Jakes and the two, both Jakes and Annie look alright together if we do the thing. Annie have it looks, Annie as Annie come on, Annie just come like she catch a man. You know what? You know that?
Yes, but we want cause
man. Yeah, looking man right away. But me say the thing with Jakes I use a kill vibes. That is very combustible, man. When you sit down and I look on somebody every minute you move, you just turn your head. You know see Rosealee smoke too. Rosealee just jayden smoke. Then just put their heads and take a draw. The man a pay attention to the people and beside him. Not that if he give no joke and just a cut the joke short. Then him a serious up because him a pay attention to something sideways. Pay attention to your phone. Sit down in your phone, talk to your people, and because he have a little jovialness can continue.
yeah, because you see at the end of the day, if him have forgotten, you know the way push my vibe up, you know that, right?
Then he's gonna push you already. Him feel and now. You think a boy if you go over there and want to give somebody a gift and you can see, you see them make one little part, somebody talk to them. Just jump up in the app and play with anybody. You know, you want to tell you nothing about picking to somebody you know play with Ziggy and where boy your name them the people you know getting a hype on the vibes after you low them make them go on because them is just a disgrace. Them don't know about Pitney or baby or what. Jayden them come in, look at you and Jayden them sit down on the up and go on. Look at you and Vani, blam them, all of them you go with. Jayden even push you more than everybody.
Yeah.
Jayden push you more than everybody. Jayden know how to deal with you. Jayden know how to do you and he not disrespect you and you answer him back. But you not pay attention to the audience. Audience, if you go up on a contest and you go sing, you have to look in at the audience because the judge them going to say you didn't interact with the audience. You have to interact with we. When you feel say you just come up and just go sit down and turn your head every minute you just chat to somebody sideways, you chat to somebody sideways like you play them in our card same time. We never get a sit down in your face. We sit down, yes, and you sit down there with everybody come on and you just take them on pan the app. Come out mad and take them on and that run the app. You just come out every minute, you're bend sideways, you did this so you get up your
remember when they like outside so
it's
remember like
go one place like Paris, sit down with Kavi. Look Kavi, you say he really can't do it with Kavi and Annie. You really can't do it and not pay the media no mind. Just know say you're going pan Annie and Kavi. And that you go about. But you have too much things beside you deal with Pari. But can't feel
because in the way crowd there, in the by himself. When there all the people surround him.
You know say you go turn on your life and find somewhere constructive and do your life. And something you say you come out to look for your kids. You're not supposed to fall down. Right now you're supposed to be up on the up. But you say who that me look on your last
but you might take in time I fade with cartoon.
You know him afraid of himself. But me I tell look here, me thought this before it happened. Me tell you say me dey pan the app, me no keep company pan the app, I no hate nobody pan the app, but when me see truth, me can't hide it. I just me that me tell you. Father day we what? Me say Father day me say Jake's move. They moving out of the phone, killing the whole vibe, no focusation to the people them. Not even 1 minute, not even 1 second. Look on Jayden. When Jayden go to bathroom, Jayden run. Rosealee no get up a piece. Triple no move, bling no move, them no drink water, share them no drink water. And once somebody see up and down and every turn you see her with the phone and an ivany, do everything with our phone, every single thing. Why you can't consider yourself pay attention to the people when you know around beside you pan people money? Look it. You look your friend them around you where you know already. You think me go a party and me see nobody in a community where me know me want to see them. Me don't want to see you because you can't teach me nothing. You don't even teach me a proper English. Me don't see already and me sit down and chat. Me sit down on the sidewalk and me put my slip and me gambling. Me don't want to see you. Pay attention to the people where you just meet him. Nah, pay no attention. Bun me bad.
That's true.
That's
some good advice. People agree with
Bun me to see how the man tear down himself.
No cartoon still.
The man tear down himself.
People may ask you send people can send 2 gifts for cartoon there for me. I beg you know.
The man tear down himself.
Well on the cartoon. People send 2 gifts for a cartoon there for me now. Me not talk flowers in this. How them there? I would do the same.
The man tear down
for me gift there.
Tear down himself, back down himself, just come the man with you run the app, look how much big come out.
Yeah man, because when he come on good.
How did that come towards you?
Yeah, thank you pumpkin. Send her another art if you want it. Hold on cartoon, wait no man. Send her another art for me please and thanks, pink. Oh Pinky this, Pinky what? I call you pumpkin, Lord Jesus. Respect. Thanks, Pinky. But never listen to say your sister. They don't get all long and tell me say there. Look at this. They look how long Pinky she there and not even me know say she there. God Jesus, Miss Long and Pinky there, I'm not even know Pinky there.
I'm scrubbing.
Yes,
I just feel like he wants somebody to dry him out.
You know that me I say, but when me I say that me I tell cartoon. Cartoon when me I tell her say the young lady with the right as a chef. Me don't know me ever ask her, what do you? Before she said, boy, I think boy you. She said down there, she don't say nothing to me, me don't know.
The man watch this discrimination where people are say about that.
You know watch discrimination because when people are cussed with about shit. Cartoon when people are cussed with shit. Sean Love, big up.
No, me not talk so. You hardly see Shana rap play no much.
Then Sean Love, oh yeah, job give pan cartoon, so what if you love cartoon? Sean Love, big up.
They love me and they don't really like me, no. They love
No. No, man, me know. They you know Sean Love cartoon, me know Sean, you know.
They like me vibes. People love people.
No Sean, Sian, me know Sian.
Sometimes they don't, and then they come back and like me, and then
thanks to the gift, Sian. You don't know him always there over here.
Thank you very much.
Him always die, you don't know him always die, him die for politics.
As a man turn on in life, first if you grab a chef. As you turn on your life, and you chef, and up in their face, I give them
that. No, but chef not bring no food. Chef not bring. Me I tell you, my sister, me no see. You see how she go over there first. Who want the chemistry there back?
Then the chemistry back. None of it now push. Every time I see
no, look at the, you know, when Annie go over there.
But Annie go over there, but Jakes now pay attention.
No, when Annie go over there, Annie bring more gift. Come here, tell him, I ask you.
No, me not say no. Then I bring it
this year. He need to come together with Rose. How this year? So why if you come together? Then if Rose there, cost the man. If I want to that woman here. He needs to come together with Rose. For do what? You know, Rose, I tell him to come out and house. My dog, you know, pitney.
You know, say, me no business with him and Rose, cause me tell me a woman. And me a man.
Well, my people, them did say Rosealee a gambler for her money too. But Rosealee reach at the, you know what I mean, the level where them can't really stop her. You know what I mean? She have all of her and she not really depend on people because she make what she make already. Now Jakes have to take a page out of Rosealee book. Rosealee humble and keep out of certain things until she make it, then she start going them type of way upon TikTok. Remember that. So him have to follow that, and if he want to gamble after make millions, him gamble. You know what I mean? But now you saw me I say him have mind what him do, and the people them say it look like still, and I like say them see him, but like how them bring up the topic, you know, somebody we go snap him and put it up, you know. You see me, so I have to know what him do, my people, so I can watch some more.
Catch all my man with woman right there, son. And when me look, and me drape up the woman and looking at woman face, so woman all ugly and favor me come from them long time funeral yard with them.
Yeah, but cartoon that you say. Cartoon we not say that. Cartoon listen when me I say no, we're not saying that. We are saying at the end of the day.
So me a sex scrub, listen to me, same point me a come to. So me a say when me go look on the man and see how the woman look. And when me look, my man come up and come like he want to fight me. And you know say me go in go sleep, and you know say the man end up still go sleep with the woman, and me still there back with the man. But all me there back with him, they still not there.
Yeah, but
the relationship and I want this
cartoon.
A lot of people go through
cartoon.
Except the whole
cartoon, listen what me I say. We don't business if you want to go back with those, that is not the point. My granny always says shame not heavy but it broke neck. Shame not heavy but it broke neck. My granny always tell me that.
Look if you skip Rosealee one side now.
Because remember no, the woman can't tell me say the man are washing dirty drawers. If he have to washing drawers them. Then he come out and say if you come out time please. Come no man, shame not everybody broke neck sister.
Yes, but you
can't tell millions out we come no man.
Remember said just used to it, you know, behind the scene.
Remember he used to be behind the scene, but Funny app, you can't tell we.
He's still coming like nothing to him.
No, I don't think so. Shame that everybody broke neck.
He's still coming like nothing to him. Everything him I do, I force him. He want to go and he don't want to go. Somebody with in love. Maybe alright, Rosa get to dislike him and I really not like him because Rosa
listen to me. Cartoon.
You know, look for Jakes as a nice man, you know.
Cartoon. No, but we're not business with them.
Whatever want him back with this, a girl you take him up and you see Jakes start fear off and start look nice. Because Jakes is very attractive, you know. Jakes have a smile, you know. I mean, I really fancy Jakes have a smile.
What I'm saying to you, Cartoon. When I said that, listen to me, no sister. No, she said the man for come out her place, she want him come out. No. Let me tell you something. It's a shame, you know, everybody broke neck.
And where do you broke neck? If you broke for me, your neck, you know, must broke Jake's neck. Jake's used to it. So you can't pinpoint he know if you go back to her because that's a weird time.
We never say enough to go back. No,
Hey, my people, you see that drunk here when name Destiny? He's a wicked blood clot in him. We set up people life, you know. He look like same one the world for turn Batman to blood clot, just dream of Batman. If you're not satisfied with your life, where you live, brethren, why you gonna live that the life there? You can't bitter and against everybody in the world and want them to come on for your side. You see me I say, yeah, Batman, you stay in your lane, man, and top try if you batty up people pick me.